Today's 2-minute tech tip is on how you and your students can create movies using Adobe Spark. So our district has purchased the enterprise version of Adobe Spark for us. It's spark.adobe.com, and when we go to log in, we simply choose the login teacher student over here, login with school account. And we want to make sure we sign in with enterprise ID. And so you put your school account, choose enterprise, and it redirects. Once you're in, you can click on the plus sign up at the top and you can scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and we're going to choose create a video. Okay, so you can give it a title. This is 5 fast food facts. And next. And I'm going to start from scratch. They have other templates you can use. First time you go in, it wants to give you a tutorial. I'm just going to say no thanks. And here's the beginning. Here's the timeline at the bottom. You can add new slides by clicking this plus sign. Over here you've got your layout options. So I'm going to start with a photo, and I can search for a whole bunch of free photos here, or I can upload one that I already have. So let's say that I'm going to use that one, and it plops it in. I can put a title over this if I want by clicking the plus sign again and saying I want to add text. So 5 fast food facts. And then I'm going to add the next picture. This one I'm going to make a split screen. And on this one I'm going to find a free photo of a hamburger. And then I'm going to include my fact about the hamburger. And I would continue. So I've added more pictures and more facts. I can change the layout over here. I can also do things like switch on this layout. I can rearrange where I want things to be, and I can view the entire video from start to finish. And once I've viewed it, I can also add music by clicking on one of the choices here, and there are a lot of different choices. So when I've finished, I can share either the link, a hyperlink to it, or I can download the video, and that will take a while. But once I download it, I can then upload it to Canvas or share with my teachers, my students, whatever needs to be done. So I hope you and your students find Adobe Spark Video very helpful. Have a great day.